How to find clients on WhatsApp and get paid. Nigeria method. You don't need followers to make money online. You just need clients. And in Nigeria, one of the easiest places to find clients is WhatsApp. Welcome to Wealth Forge Africa, where we teach you how to make money online using simple tools and AI. Let's go. Step 1. Go to WhatsApp groups. Look for business groups, buying and selling groups, school or community groups. That's where your clients are. Step 2. Watch what people are doing. You'll notice people advertising, vendors posting products, low quality captions. That's your opportunity. Step 3. Pick one person and message them. Hi, I noticed your posts. I can help you create better content that brings more customers. Keep it simple and direct. Step 4. Offer a small trial. Example, I can create 3 posts for you for 2,000 naira only. Low risk equals easy, yes. Step 5. Deliver well and turn them into a monthly client. Just 5 to 10 clients equals steady income. If you follow these steps accordingly, it will bring you a guaranteed cash inflow and improve your situation. If you want more real ways to make money online in Nigeria, quickly subscribe to Wealth Forge Africa for more updates.